Today we're going to be doing a pre-upgrade unboxing of this Casio G-Shock GW-M5610U. Now what do we mean by pre-upgrade? Well guys, you may have seen our 5610 upgrade kit unboxing, and if you haven't, it's just here. But basically we are going to unbox this watch that we got just to upgrade with this steel upgrade kit. So here's a quick teaser guys of the metal G-Shock upgrade kit we've bought. Just to be clear, we will not be installing this today, but here's what we will be eventually. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. And if you're as hyped as I am, make sure you like the video to let us know. Let's crack into it. And here we go. Take out the foam insert. And here's the watch herself. Now, hang on, let's have a look at the label just to be sure, guys. So it's the GW-M5610U-1ER, and that's our module there, $34.95. Awesome. So let's take this bad boy out. It does look like it's the right model. Clear this out of the way. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Now guys, just before we get this on my wrist and start setting it up, I want to talk about the one feature that made me get this watch, and that is the tough solar. That's right, you can see it written down the bottom there. This is a really important feature for me. I'm a big fan of not having to worry about the battery whatsoever. Now one thing I will say guys is there is quite a bit of rigidity here. This doesn't sort of come out dead flat like it does with another watch. For the record, I have my GD350 here, and you'll see that it actually goes out nice and flat, whereas this watch does not want to do that. It's got a bit of a curve to it. All right. So guys, here's a wrist check on my 6.75 inch wrist. What do you think of the size? Let me know. I'm quite a fan. So guys, one other cool feature of this watch is the ability to swap the date format. So as an Australian, we have it so that the day comes before the month. So I'm going to show you how to change that. We just hop into the same adjustment menu by holding this button. Okay, and then we're just going to cycle through some of these settings. Yep, date, month, year, all good. Now, after this 12 hour, see how we have month, day, day. We're just going to hit this bottom button and bingo, we're now at date, month. So I'm going to lock that in by cancelling the menu, and just like that, my preferred format, the 19th of Jan. Great stuff. So guys, I've actually got a beach volleyball game tonight, and for those of you who have seen my GD350 review, you'll know how much I love wearing this watch to my game. But tonight I'm going to give the 5610 series a try and see how we go. Alright, now in terms of doing the actual upgrade kit for this watch, I will be releasing another video. However, for the next 1 week I'm going to be wearing this watch as it is intended without the upgrade kit. Okay, so if you want to see the upgrade kit and when we get the installation of that, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Hey guys, I'm back from my volleyball game. I just wanted to give you a quick update on how I found the 5610 series. I gotta say, it was nowhere near as good as the GD350 for a couple of reasons, but mainly the buttons were very, very small. And what I found was that when I was trying to set the round timer and just trying to start it, see, I found myself fumbling around with these little buttons. So I'm going to continue to wear the GD350 to my volleyball games. As I showed you in that review, just one press of a button and very easy, the timer starts. So just a quick update on the watch. So guys, if you want to get your hands on this awesome GW-M5610 series, I've left a link for you in the description below. And because you're a G-Shock fan, I'm leaving you with a GD350 review and the unboxing of the 5610 upgrade kit, which I can't wait for. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss when we upgrade this watch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.